In this tutorial, we're going to look at a free online tool that will let you quickly and easily remove the background from most photos. Why would you and your students want to do this? Well, you can get rid of the rectangle that appears around many photos so that they will look better in projects, especially when the slides and documents have a colored background, or you want to layer other things around them. Additionally, removing the background opens up a wonderful way for students and other items to be shown in locations that they can't easily be in real life. For example, this is a famous concert band. Keep your eye on this area because now a local student is performing with them. Another example is this dog show. And now my dog is at the dog show. These are three people who were at a conference, but now they are at the Colosseum in Rome. Think of the creative and academic writing or oral language that your students will generate to tell about their enhanced images. The tool that we are going to work with to make this magic is Remove BG. BG for background. You can remove the background from many images automatically in 5 seconds without a single click. It does work best on images consisting of people, animals, objects, and vehicles. So let's take a look at how it works. Here I am on the website remove.bg, and on my computer I will look for the image I want to use. You can drop your file right on here. I'm just going to go ahead and browse and find my Remove BG folder, and I am going to take this picture of Marley and upload it. And without any other clicking on my part, there is Marley, no longer at the beach. She can be anywhere now. And where the background was removed, you now see this checkerboard pattern, and that indicates that it's transparent. The results mostly look really good, but I have a little bit going on here by the tail and up here in this corner. And so when you see things that you maybe want to do a little more editing on, you can click the Edit tool. And then you can go to the Erase Restore tab, because sometimes it might take too much out of your image. And then to fine-tune how you can tweak it, you can zoom in a little bit, right? And you can adjust your brush size. Notice there's an Erase tab and a Restore tab. So I'm going to go over here and I am going to get rid of this little bit of weirdness around her tail. I can now see there's a little streak right here. And then I need to get all the way over. Maybe if I shrink my image down again, I can get this piece off. And now I really like it. It's going to be a work of art, right? So here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download it. And this gives me a chance to name it and put it in the folder that I want to put it in. And I'll just call her Transparent. And I'll put her back into my, oh, that's fine. I'll save her to the downloads. And then I can put her in other places because it's now stored on my computer. And I am going to go back to my slideshow, and I am going to bring Marley into this farm to play with the goats. So this time I'm simply going to drag Marley into this photo, and you'll notice it looked like there was a white background around her, but there isn't. I can go ahead and shrink her to an appropriate size. I can put her over here playing with this goat, and now she's having a blast at the farm instead of at the beach. That's how easy it is to remove backgrounds from photos and use them in projects. I hope you're already thinking of ways you will use this for your work and with your students.